Like, what the hell is that?
Someone jump on it, Boogie.
What the hell? Get him out of there.
I know we got more countdown ears out there.
Where's Ryan?
Our president, John McSwain. Stop burning! Gotta get Jason Club to show us the Doug Merritt.
Eli, go away!
Jacket's coming off. It's on. The world. Oh, goodness.
What the heck? Oh my
Give it up for him.
Check this out, let me go lunch and check out a nigga.
Oh, there you go. Hey.
I can do that.
Jean skinny, like skin. Looking for your girl.
Okay, do
Just
something.
look at my cat there, you have to put it down.
All right, there it is for the AG Cat Daddy Up. It's been real good with you guys.
What you call it,
We're
Dennis?
switching hands for a little bit, but more importantly, I'll see you guys at the game tonight at Diploma.
Teach me how to do
Teach me how to do it right now. Here we go.
it. Baby, let's move.
What? Can you teach me how to do it? You know why? Cause all the bitches love it.
And I need it to be that super funky.
You.
Back it up and down. Put your arms out front, leave
Hey guys, I just want to let you know next week we're gonna have snapback hats